Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Diamante token. Ticker symbol is DIAM. Now this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting February 12th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, it says Diamante is a groundbreaking hybrid blockchain network designed to seamlessly integrate private permission systems with decentralized public networks. By leveraging the native digital asset DIAM, the network facilitates secure and efficient transactions, validation processes, and rewards distribution. Diamante employs a multi-layer consensus mechanism incorporating delegated proof-of-stake DPoS, asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance ABFT, and proof-of-history POH to achieve optimal performance and security. Now, the network's infrastructure is fortified with quantum-resistant cryptographic algorithms, including dilithium digital signatures and Kyber key encapsulation, ensuring long-term resilience against emerging threats. And additionally, the integration of CouchDB as the distributed ledger enhances scalability and data synchronization, making it feasible for a mobile node hosting. Diamante also integrates advanced smart contract platforms and AI-driven optimizations for dynamic resource allocation and predictive analytics. And they do have a white paper that you could find on their webpage that provides a comprehensive overview of Diamante's architecture, components, and use cases, consensus mechanisms, security measures, and future roadmap, demonstrating its capability to deliver a scalable, secure, and versatile blockchain platform that supports diverse applications across various industries. So this token here will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting February 12th at 8 a.m. UTC time. The Diamante token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DIAM, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. You can find this token on BSC Scan. 18 decimal places on this token. It says there is a max total supply of 1,404,207,021 tokens. Their webpage is diamante.io, and over there you can find a full white paper and all of their socials, including their Twitter here, which has a huge following. Now, the Diamante is an innovative blockchain designed to meet the growing demand of secure and scalable digital solutions in the face of quantum computing advancements. As quantum computers become more capable, traditional cryptographic techniques are increasingly at risk of being compromised. Now, the Diamante addresses these challenges by integrating quantum-resistant cryptographic algorithms, ensuring the longevity and security of the blockchain in a post-quantum world. Our network combines advanced consensus mechanisms such as delegated proof of stake, proof of history, and asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance to provide a robust, efficient platform for decentralized applications and secure transactions. Now, the motivation behind the Diamante stems from the urgent need to future-proof blockchain technology against emerging threats posed by quantum computing. As quantum computers evolve, they will have the capability to break current cryptographic schemes, potentially compromising the security of blockchain networks. Recognizing this imminent threat, we have developed the Diamante to incorporate quantum-resistant cryptographic algorithms such as a dilithium digital signature and Kyber key encapsulation. These algorithms are specifically chosen for their robustness against quantum attacks and their ability to maintain high levels of performance and security in blockchain environments. In addition to quantum resistance, Diamante is motivated by the need for scalability, efficiency, and flexibility in blockchain technology, and our main layer consensus mechanism ensures that the network can handle high transaction throughput with low latency, making it suitable for large-scale applications. The integration of CouchDB allows for seamless data synchronization across multiple nodes, enabling broad adoption while maintaining high performance and security. The network's architecture supports advanced smart contracts and is designed for scalability, ensuring that the Diamante can evolve with the growing demands of the digital economy. Now, our vision for Diamante is to create a secure, efficient, and adaptable blockchain ecosystem that remains resilient against quantum computing threats while fostering innovation across various industries. We aim to build a platform that not only addresses current security concerns, but also anticipates future challenges, ensuring the longevity and robustness of the blockchain. To achieve this vision, we are committed to continuous research and development, integrating the latest advancements in cryptography, consensus mechanisms, and blockchain technology. Our goal is to stay at the forefront of the industry, delivering blockchain networks that meet the highest standard of security, performance, and reliability. Now, if you want to find all the info on Diamante, head over to the document section at diamante.gitbook.io, and you'll be able to find this token newly listed on Mexc Global as of February 12th. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.